You can be a complete beginner and age doesn't matter. Because in order to sign up for PayPal, you don't need a credit card. You simply just need an email address and you're set. I'm going to give you the website that's giving the PayPal money cash codes out for free. I'm going to show you several ways to make PayPal money, period. And I'm going to show you how to make money while you sleep with this specific website. But before we jump into the video, if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell so you don't miss anything that has to do with making money online. The funnest way possible. There's 3 steps to get PayPal money cash codes. 1 is to sign up, log into the website. It's giving people free PayPal money cash codes. Number 2 is to figure out how much money you want to receive. 3, enjoy the money that is going to flow your way. Listen, you want to stay with me through the entire video and follow me step by step. That way you make sure you understand exactly how awesome this site is and how it can get you your free cash codes. It's going to get you that PayPal money. Also, if you stay to the end of the video, I'm going to give you a bonus tip for a way that you might can make even more money. The site is called prizerebel.com, and you simply just need to sign up for it. You can even sign up with your Facebook account, and you can get these kind of cards. How you do it is you simply sign up for a 100% free account. Earn points by completing short opinion surveys or easy offers. Redeem points for PayPal cash or choose from hundreds of gift cards. Check this out. Choose from those. Check out these free rewards from Prize Rebel. You can even get rewards. It's a pretty cool site. Now the site might look overwhelming at first because you got to earn and rewards, and there's so much different ways that you can use this site to make money. So I'm going to show you the easiest and the best way for you to make the most money that's going to end up in your pocket. Okay, so stay with me. The first thing you're going to want to do on this site to get some quick money is to go to Earn Offer Walls. Then scroll down and we're going to want to click on No Cost because we don't want to pay for anything, right? Now check this out. Free. So what you can do is, if I were you, I would set up a completely separate Gmail account, and then you can get free samples of toothpaste. Okay, not only can you get free samples, but by doing this, you're making money even by doing this. Free dubs, 100%, $100 Amazon gift card, get free samples on this. So basically, they're wanting you to take these surveys, and the more surveys that you do, the more money that you're going to make. And no matter what they're doing on here, like the toothpaste, I mean, you could get free toothpaste, and you're earning points by taking these. So you're getting free stuff and you're earning points to make money. The next place you're going to want to go to is contests. So if you go to Win and then Contests, Offer Wall Contest. So for example, Ben here, he probably took maybe 20 to 40 minutes and he's on the leaderboard. It's not that hard to be on the leaderboard. All he did is you go through and they have these contests. They're Offer Wall contests. Like these are ending November the 14th. But then they're going to be, they're constantly, they're over and over and over again. So if you look at these, you know, you complete the survey, and it goes by completing the offer walls. It goes by how you do and how many you do in completing the offer walls. So the more that you do, the more that you're going to be able to get on here. And also, which means the more money that you're going to be able to make to turn into PayPal cash. As you can tell, they have several to choose from. And this here is extra points. It's extra points on top of what you already have just by doing these contests. And again, they refresh this all the time. Here's international surveys. So if you wanted to, you could enter, if you were in the US, you could enter the US contest. And if you're international, you can enter the international. So there's something for everybody to be able to enter in the contest. Hey, if you think this information is pretty cool, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up. There's another cool way to make money on this site. So if you go over to win and then raffles, all you have to do is click on enter. So $25 restaurant card, seamless gift card. And look at this, for example, only 7 people has entered it. So, I mean, why not enter it? And the odds that, you could win 1 out of 7, not too bad. Even 800, I would still enter it. I mean, it's just why not for a $50 Amazon gift card. And then if you scroll down, they have the upcoming raffles. Let's see, iTunes, they have the dates. Another Amazon, Apple iTunes. And you could keep an eye out. You could be like, ooh, I'm really gonna go after the Apple iTunes card, and then know it's that date. It's just kind of cool. If you go to webmasterson.com, this is a new hoppin' marketplace where everybody's talking about making money online. And it's a forum. You just kind of can scroll through it. You could even click on all this and tell everybody, hey, here's, I have a link. Can I send it to you? It's so cool. It's a new making money online. Or you can read through these, how to identify work from home job scam. Well, once you just even made a little bit of money, you can get into here and be like, hey guys, I have this new site, and you can make money online, and you're simply just clicking, or you're taking surveys or something like that. And so you could scroll through all of these and simply just message these people, or just put a post and tell everybody about it. And that way, the more people click on it, I mean, you can make thousands of dollars this way. However, this is clicking and, you're sharing links. But what if there was a better way than even doing that? I'm going to help you. I tried doing a lot of these make money online things, and I teach this so you can take the money and you can utilize it to better your education, or to purchase a course, or get farther into making money that's going to make you higher amounts. And the one thing that helped me do that is the first link in the bio. That has helped me be a stay-at-home mom. I work full-time. I teach you guys how to make money online, but I wouldn't have been able to do it if it wasn't for the first link in the bio. So let me help you get out of the 9 to 5. Okay, let's make a huge change for you. All right, hope you liked this video. If you did, you gave me a thumbs up, you subscribed, you did all that for me. If you have any questions, put a comment. And if you want to keep going and learn more ways to make money online, then I'm in this video up here. So go ahead and watch that one, and let's see what else you can.